Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to find biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down a little bit and tap on install unknown apps. And as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So for example, if you want to change it, like allow Chrome to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, right now it is active, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put the data and actually your whole device at risk. So remember about that. So turning on this option will work the same with all other apps. So just tap on the switcher and that's all. And of course you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on the switcher again, and from now on, for example, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.